First, prepare a syringe with both sides cut off and a container to collect the waste ink. Now open the printer. Lift the scanner, push this plastic part, then lower it while holding it. Push it again while lifting the scanner. Make sure to use a support so the scanner doesn't fall down. Next, remove the ink damper that you want to drain. And disconnect the ink tube. Attach the syringe to the ink tube. Then open the ink tank cap. Slowly pull the syringe and hold it until the ink flows in. Once it's full, remove it and dispose of the ink into your container. Repeat this process a few times until no more ink comes out. Now extract the remaining ink directly from the damper. Do this several times until it's empty. Reconnect the ink tube. Then insert the syringe into the damper nozzle and pull a few times. Next, fill the ink tank with wash water or bottled water. Attach the syringe again and flush it until the damper looks clean. refill the tank with new ink. Pull the syringe again to draw fresh ink into the damper. Reinstall the damper into the carriage, then close the printer. Turn on the printer, then press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds to start head cleaning. Run the cleaning process a few times for the best print results. Thanks for watching.